actually did it in...
Welcome to XGIMI Park.
Wow. I think I've seen this place before.
Really?
Yes.
Online.
On the model in the headquarters.
Guys, welcome. Welcome to XGIMI Park. It's very convenient.
That's all you need.
So we are first checking out some of the home projectors here. So you can see the whole room right now. This is like a home vibe projector like settings. So the projector standing right here is the one we showcased at the CES. It's the Horizon Max. Okay guys, let's heading to the next station. So this is the eye protection function that you guys all know. So it's able to protect your eyes and detect when people cross by the projector. So this is just like a prototype of this kind of technology we are kind of developing. So mainly we are targeting for those kind of parents so they can get their kids to play the piano.
Jose, you need to come. Come.
How is
And sing in the same time.
it's very
You're good.
It's a super Instagram photo friendly
Yeah.
museum. So feel free to take photos and take your maybe new profile pictures. I guarantee you.
Hey.
Do you think Michael will update his profile photo here?
So you can tap the ground here. Tap the ground.
You don't need to do that. I think it helps.
But the sensor that we built for the ISA technology to kind of trace your hand, your temperature to do those kind of interactive effects.
Thank you for saving us.
I don't think I saved it all.
The dragon coming.
See, they're protecting the baby.
And this is our chief management for all of the factory, Mr.
The boss
Zhang.
of the factory.
Yeah, Mr. Zhang.
Hello. And today I will show you how we assemble our line engine. This is the sample for your reference, but we need to return later.
Don't steal it.
You get a proponent. This stage, we alignment the lens array. This one is the lens array. It's a popular design for the laser source because it can help us to uniform the light emission on the screen. So, for example, yesterday you saw the color uniformity get some problem on competitor product. The reason is they cancel one piece of lens array. So the uniformity is worse than before. Their previous generation is good, I think, because we have the sample. And why they cancel this element? Because this one is a glass product and made by the molding. Expensive, yeah, it's very expensive. So if they can cancel this one, then we reduce the cost, but the side effect is the uniformity. Yes. Yeah. Okay. So this is a clean room. Why we need a clean room? Because we want assemble design sensitivity component that need to ensure it's clear. So we need a clean room. And they will assembly for this prison. Can you see the prison? Yeah, and you can find a hole inside the prison. We will assembly the DMD on another side. So that means if there are some dust attached on the DMD or attached on this prison, this dust will be projected on the screen. So sometimes you will find the full dust image, you will find some nice bar, that's the dust. Okay, everyone, this is our auto measurement system. Our AI engine can be measured in this system and catch all of the optical data and judge the quality. Okay, so this is our test jig. As you know, we use the LED or the laser, so the temperature control is very important for us and include the power supply. So we design our own test jig, and we will monitor the temperature and ensure all of the power supply is stable to ensure our measurement result is correct. Okay, and for this measurement system, we hope to catch about the optical data. So we have two cameras. The big one is to catch the brightness. We can catch all of the image and get all of the brightness data. And the second one is to check about the resolution. That means we can use the camera to ensure the resolution is in our stable and try to prevent the some tolerance come from the human. Okay, and of course to perform this kind of automation process, we create our program, and after we measure the data, it will record and tell us is pass or no, and all of the measurement data will be updated to the database. So each engine come out this stage, we can know where it go and what's the initial performance. Today I'm so great because our friend come from the American. They visit our science park. We go to the museum and we show him idea about the application of the projector. We also visit our engine manufacturing process and go to the projector assembly factory. I hope after this trip they can understand how we manufacture our product and how we control the quality, and we hope they can understand and they believe we would like to make the projector to be a good product for our customer.
Guys double check everything, like every part of the process, like okay, let's see if everything's right. Okay, next stage, and then is everything all right? I think the best part is that you guys do everything in-house, so that's what's great.
Yeah.
Because you have control of everything, like so you know how to make it precise.
My name is Kevin Ran, and I'm the CTO of XGIMI. I'm responsible for the product design.
My favorite part of the tour, I think, was the lens space.
Yeah.
It's such a different office compared to the rest of the headquarters, the factory.
Yeah.
And it's very obvious, I guess, how evident like you know, the design language of the XGIMI progressed over the years.
We have stories,
We've been to, I think we've been to a lot of companies who are like engineer driven.
Yeah.
Which is great, and there's no disrespect to like the technology behind it. But I think there are a lot of companies that kind of like forget about the design. And think and how that is actually a major touch point with the consumer.
Yeah.
Because like it's what they feel, it's not just what they see, but also what they feel.
Yes.
And that's a great. I feel like you guys have also done a great job. So the technology is great. But then also the design.
Also the design ID,
like even just like the little curves. And
Yeah.
What is the difference between this curve and the other curve? We were like, oh, it's just a millimeter of curve.
I hope in the future our product could be for all of the family. It could be a normal product for everyone. It could be like a cell phone. Everyone should have a projector because you can enjoy the large image size and the good big function.
In future, the screen should be anywhere. TV cannot do that. The projectors in your central place, and it can rotate, and it can detect, oh, there is a person coming, and they will show some information. It is an information war, and the information war can be anywhere, in your house, in your room. It is our family members, maybe, to you guys. Yes, we have the idea.
Could be as a robot, roving robot. Yes. So I was gonna ask, like, in the era of generative AI,